Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Magre-review tayo ngayon ng unit, the Glock 17 4 series silver slide by WE. So this is the box. 4 series 17 silver slide, silver barrel, black frame. Yan, WE brand 4 series made in Taiwan. Okay, comes with 0.23 grams 4,000 shots bala. And also comes with the green gas standard power pop dyno gas. Let's open the box. Comes with the owner's manual, WE owner's manual, backstrap pin, and the unit. This is the Glock 17 4 series, or the Glock 17 yung tinatawag nila na TMSS. Okay, so Glock 17 4 series, fiber optic sight, Punisher skull design sa backplate, serrated front and rear, tapos may serrations din siya dito sa ibabaw. Meron siyang cut, wet barrel, meron din siyang cut dito sa gilid. Ito yung kanyang parang serial number. Ayan, made in Taiwan markings. So naka stapled grip, naka magwell na rin po siya. Ayan, okay, wet trigger. Ayan. Okay. So, ito po ay unit ni Sir Edmar. Then, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tracer units. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng accessories, flashlight. Nalalagyan rin po siya ng red dot optic. Okay. So, kung gusto niyo pong bihisan, nabibihisan po ito. Okay. So, again, this is the Glock 17 4 series. Silver slide, silver barrel, black frame. So, two-tone po siya. So, bali itong back strap, dito yan. Yan. Yan yung design. Okay. So, lagyan natin ng gas and bibis para matest natin yung muzzle velocity. Okay. Lagyan lang muna natin siya ng 4 shots. Okay, so ngayon ite-test natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, so again, this is the Glock 17 4 series. Okay, unit ni Sir Edmar. Okay, made in Taiwan. Okay, so testing. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS. Firing. 373.2. Ayan, 373.2. Okay, one more. 377.2. Wala. Wala rin. Walang data. Walang result. So, lagyan pa natin ng 3 more rounds. Okay, firing. 349. Wala. 362.4. Okay. And open chamber. So, wala ng bala. Open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, so shooting test pa tayo. Lagyan pa natin ng bala. One more. So, this time, dadamihan natin yung bala. Okay. So, shooting test tayo. Again, shoutout kay Sir Edmar. Thank you for choosing 5th generation hobby shop, sir. Okay, Sir Edmar, sir. Testing of your Glock 17 4 series YWE. Okay, firing. Open chamber, release the magazine, hold back the slide, then hammer down. Okay na po ang inyong unit, Sir Edmar. Kung may question, message sa aming Facebook page at sa aming mga official contact numbers. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.